Okay, I should be good. This is my new technology speech. Has anybody here ever heard or seen of a 3D printer? Okay, Legos. What about one of those little RC drones you fly around? Yes, okay. What if I told you that these are some of the things that are revolutionizing the construction industry? Now you might ask yourself, in what world are these toys having any effect on a multi-trillion-dollar company or multi-trillion-dollar industry? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's this one. Humans have been building things since the beginning of time, but in a technological revolution, the way we build is always changing and improving. The technologies coming into the industry allow us to build quicker, cleaner, and cheaper than ever before. In 1932, Lego was founded in Billund, Denmark. The 3D printer was patented in 1981 by Hideo Kodama. And we've seen remote-controlled drones as early as 1917. Although the idea at that point seemed trivial, they have the potential to change the construction industry for years to come. Let's start with what I feel to be potentially the most impactful, the 3D printing. 3D printing houses as of right now is not huge, but in the coming years it very well could be. The houses being built, although unconventional, are much more affordable than the average house right now. According to Brooke Betcher, a journalist for the blog Built In, a company called Icon can produce a 600 to 800 square foot building in roughly 24 hours for as low as $4,000. The house building process right now can take over a month just to frame the house. By printing it, you could have it printed in some cases less than a day, and with the electrical and plumbing, you could have it move-in ready in just a few days. The printed houses use cement, which would also be stronger than your traditional brick house, making it less susceptible to natural disasters. Next, we have smart bricks. What we have with this is essentially the adult version of Legos. Smart bricks, while also not huge, could soon be emerging as the next breakthrough in construction. Very similar to Lego blocks in the way that they are used, all the blocks are pre-constructed pieces of the building. A machine would put the blocks in place and stack and connect the blocks according to the blueprints. This process would save time, money, and resources. Labor costs would decrease, and the thermal properties of the bricks would also decrease the energy costs for the homeowners. A few added benefits are that the process is very quiet, which opens up the opportunity to do construction at any point in the day, not just within regular work hours. And the bricks are less reliant on resources such as sand, steel, and water. These bricks are also much stronger than your traditional house bricks. And to some extent, people who love Legos as kids can now use them to work as adults. While the smart bricks haven't quite emerged yet, drones have hit the ground running. Being implemented much quicker than the other technologies, the drones make things like surveying and planning much more efficient. Drones move much faster than people. It's estimated that people can survey about 5 acres an hour. With drones, even new surveyors can survey upwards of 120 acres per hour, helping reduce surveying costs dramatically. Construction sites can also be very dangerous. Using a drone that you can remotely control helps limit the number of people on the construction site susceptible to things going wrong. The process drone photogrammetry is the process of taking the pictures taken from the drone and merging them together to make a 3D image. This process can be used to accurately measure things like distance and change in elevation across a construction site. These things are usually very difficult using traditional methods, but the drones make it much easier. With these technologies coming into the construction world, it's almost guaranteed that the industry sees improvements in sustainability, efficiency, and safety. Humans have been building things since the beginning of time, but in a technological revolution, the way we build is always changing and improving. The technologies coming into the industry allow us to build quicker, cleaner, and cheaper than ever before. 3D printing homes are very time and cost effective, and hopefully in the future, a good source of affordable homes. Smart bricks, on top of being a Lego lover's dream, can also provide a very cost-effective and clean way to build the structures of tomorrow. Finally, drones have already made an impact in delivering data more efficiently than ever before while keeping people in safe environments. So when you see things like Legos or drones, just remember that those simple ideas, which at the time seemed trivial, could be the very thing that revolutionizes an entire industry. Every complex process has stemmed from something very simple. Any idea that you have for the rest of your life could be the start of something greater if you can figure out a way to apply it.